Hello, this is Atif Mahmood. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to make user template using Windows 2000 Server 8 and Active Directory. For this, you have to be a admin of the domain and the Active Directory, so you have appropriate permissions that you can create and do what you need to do. So for this, you will have to log into the Active Directory and go to Start and go to Administrative Tools and go to Active Directory Users and Computers. Once you log in into that, and there are different containers, some of them are built in when you install Active Directory that create, and some of them I created them as an organization. Once you create by an organization, that's how you will have to manage them. So I will actually go ahead and show you from the start. So go ahead and expand that organization truck stop, and also I am going to add supposedly a new user in sales department. So I will click on the sales folder and go click right mouse on that and go to new and click user, and you will have to add their first and last name, which will be, in my case, that should be green, and first name is Green and second is the N, and the full name it is showing in the third line. And for their login you make sure there is no space in their name. The space is not allowed in the name, although you can use a explanation if you need to use explanation symbol between the name. If you have supposedly two employees that have same name, you can add a explanation symbol into the name. So in case if I am making for the first person, so I'll go, usually what I would do, I would just use the first full name and the second name first initial, but I went ahead and created with the full name without space. So that will be their login, and this is the basically main directory name. That will be their login and also their email if you set to. So I will go ahead and click next. Password, there are couple different password policies, and I will go give it a easy one. 1 2 3, and user must change password. This is very important. When you create an account for a person, you will have to set their first option, user must change login for the first. Can go ahead, click next and finish. Here the account is created. Now we'll go ahead and start proceeding the user template. So take properties and click on the general. Once you click on the general, and you will have to see what information, what department to belong to. The first one should be automatically filled by default. Description, like we will mention that what department the user belong to, sales, and we can put building 1, and office would be, which is a truckstop.com, truckstop sales. Telephone number, we'll go ahead and give 543 548. Put the right phone number. Their email, if you know the email. If you don't know the email, I would just go ahead put their email with, usually the email is the same as a computer login, so I will just put @truckstop.com. If you don't know, then you can change it. If you know, if they have web page like suppose www.truck, that is their main page. And then also you will have to go to organization, and job title you can add sales customer service. Customer services department, sales company, truck stop. And if you know their manager name, supposedly if we had their manager as my name, you should be able to find in your Active Directory. Here is the manager name, and it will show there on the properties. If you need to change anything, you can go and make changes for their manager too. And go ahead, click apply. And if they have H drive, you can go here. That's a different totally thing, but this completes this demonstration about how to create a template information for an employee or for an account, or also could be for department. Thank you very much for watching this